What is an API?
An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. APIs define how requests for data or services are made, helping programs share information and features. They are used in countless everyday technologies, from weather apps to online banking, enabling secure and efficient interactions between systems.
What are public APIs?
Public APIs are interfaces that are freely available for anyone to use, often provided by companies or organizations to encourage innovation. For example, the Twitter API allows developers to build apps that interact with tweets and profiles. Public APIs typically come with documentation and rules, but are designed to be accessed by external developers outside the company.
What are private APIs?
The private APIs are only accessible within a specific organization or controlled user group. These APIs help connect internal software systems, streamline operations, or power mobile apps without exposing sensitive functions. For example, a bank may use a private API to connect its online banking app to its core database securely. Access is tightly limited for security and control.
Key differences between public and private APIs.
The main difference is who can access the API. Public APIs are open to external developers, while private APIs are restricted to internal teams. Public APIs aim to foster integration and collaboration, often driving business growth. Private APIs focus on security, efficiency, and control, keeping internal communications protected from outside access.
Real-world examples.
A real-world public API example is the Google Maps API, which lets websites and applications display custom maps. For private APIs, consider Amazon's internal APIs that link different services behind the scenes, like inventory and shipping systems. These real-world examples show how APIs, public and private, help build the digital experiences people use every day.